Hi students, how are you? Hope you all are fine. And today we are going to discuss the remaining lesson in the second lesson. Okay? Today we are going to discuss remaining topic in the second lesson. What is the lesson name? The lesson name is The Fisherman and His Wife. What is the lesson name, children? The Fisherman and His Wife. And what we have discussed in the previous lesson? We have discussed that there is a fisherman. There is a fisherman who used to live near the seashore. He used to live near the seashore in a poor hut. In a poor hut. Okay? He used to live with his wife. What is his wife name? Wife name is Zora. What is wife name? His wife name is Zora. Okay? And what is the fisherman name? Ali. What is the fisherman name, children? Fisherman name is Ali. And wife name is Zora. Okay? Fisherman name is Ali and wife name is Zora. Remember, children, everyone? Okay? And what happened in this story? That one day Ali went to catch the fish. One day Ali went to catch the fish. So, and what he has done? He has dragged deep down under the water. He has cast his line. He has cast his line into the sea. So, what happened? He thought that he caught a great fish. He thought that he caught a great fish in his line. So, one big fish came into his line. So, what happened? He dragged that fish near the seashore and he thought that he can get enough money for the food. He can get enough money from selling this fish. From selling the fish, he can get enough money. Okay. So, he was very happy that he got a great fish. But what happened suddenly? That fish has requested Ali to leave him again in the sea. That fish has requested to Ali that I am a prince, I was not a fish, I was a prince, I am having magical powers. So please leave me into the water again. So it has pleaded means requested the Ali to leave him again into the water. So what happened? Ali is a kind-hearted person. Ali is a kind-hearted person and he left the fish into the sea again. And he came back to the hut. He came back to his wife again. And wife, what she has told to him, why you have left the fish? You would, if you have left the fish, you would have asked him something boon, means something wish. ఏదో ఒక కోరిక కోరుకోవాల్సింది నువ్వు fish ని అని చెప్పి wife told to Ali. So she sent him back again. So you go to sea and ask the fish to give him some wishes. Means ask him one cottage. We are not having proper house to live in. So you go and ask him one cottage for leaving him again into the sea. So you have left the fish into the water. So instead of that, you ask him to give him a good cottage. Okay. First, what she has asked to give him a cottage. First wish is, remember children, all of you, what is the first wish? It is cottage. Okay. So now Ali, he is not having any option because he don't want to ask the fish any boon. He don't want to ask the fish the cottage, but because of his wife only, he went back to the seashore and he was very he don't want to go there. So he was very sad to go to the seashore again and he called for the fish until it came to the seashore. So he called for the fish. He shouted. So fish came back to the seashore. Means ఒడ్డుకు వచ్చి what it is asking, what happened? Why you called me? What the fish asked to fisherman? Why you called me? It asked. So now what the fisherman told? My wife wanted cottage. So I have left you now. So please give me a cottage. He asked. So what happened when first time when fisherman went to the fish, at that time how the sea is, it is yellow and green. The sea looks like yellow and green in color. Yellow and green in color. Okay. So what happened? The fish told, okay, you go back to your wife again. You can see a cottage there. So the fisherman went back to his wife. He saw a beautiful cottage and his wife sitting in the middle of the cottage. What it is there? A cow, hen, and what it is there? Cow, hen, and a beautiful garden with fruits. Okay, this all it is there in surroundings of his cottage, and his wife sat in the middle of the cottage. So he felt very much happy and he went to the wife and he told, see how beautiful cottage we got, now you are happy, he told. But his wife has not replied anything. Okay, now again what happened? So 1 month gone. After that again one day his wife told, this cottage is not sufficient for us. So you go back to the fish again and what is the fish here? Fish is a prince. Okay, he is the prince of the sea. So what he is telling, you go back to the fish again and you ask the fish to give him a beautiful, what he has this time, castle. Second time what his wife asked? Second time wife asked for a castle. Okay, second wish. So wife told him to go and ask for a castle this time, because these rooms in the cottage, the rooms were not sufficient. You go and ask for a castle. Okay. What is the meaning of castle, children? It is a large fortified building. It is a large fortified building. Okay. So the fisherman, what he has done, he has no chance to asking. He has no other chance. So he has to go to the fish and he has to ask, because his wife will be angry with him if he is not going to the fish again. So what he has done, he went back to the sea. So here what happened? Now the sea is blue and black in color. Now the sea is blue and black in color. Now how the sea is? It is blue and black in color. Okay. And the river still has the man called the fish. Here the fisherman has called for the fish. So what do you want now? What the fish asked? What do you want now? It asked when it reappeared. Please, my wife says the cottage is too small for us. What he is telling? Wife is telling that the cottage is too small for us. So now we need a castle. So I request you to give for a castle. So go home then. Fish what he told? Okay, you go home. Now your wife will be already in a castle. Okay, what he has told? You go back to the home again, you will have a castle. Okay, so the fisherman returned back to his wife and he saw a beautiful castle instead of cottage there. There is no cottage now. There is a castle there and his wife is standing in front of the castle carrying a bunch of keys. What is the keys? It is the keys of each and every room in that castle. So many rooms it is having. And all the keys are there with his wife wife. So his wife is having a bunch of keys carrying in her waist. Okay. In olden days you have remembered, no, you can see in movies and everything. A bunch of keys they used to carry. The woman used to carry a bunch of keys in her waist. Okay. So and so many servants are there in the castle to serve them. Okay. So how happy we shall be here. Now the fisherman is happy very much and he told to his wife, now we are very much happy. No, he asked. But what his wife told, his wife has not replied anything now also. So wife has not replied anything now also. So and what happened after a few weeks gone, again wife she came to the Ali. She came to fisherman and she told that, now I am not satisfied with this. What she has told, I was not satisfied with this. You go and ask for the fish that I should become the queen of the whole land. I should be the queen. What is her third wish? To become a queen for the whole land. For the whole of the land. Means for that kingdom, in which place they are staying, she wants to become a queen of that place. So now she wants to become the queen of that whole land. Okay. Now third wish is to become the queen of the whole land. So students, remember what is the first wish? The fisherman wife asked for a cottage first. Second, she asked for a castle. Third, she wants to become the queen of the whole land. Okay. So the fisherman was stricken with terror at her words. So what happened now? It has spoken the truth, and for a while the woman was happy. So sorrowfully means very sadly, the fisherman went back to the fish. And how the sea was now? It was dark grey. How the sea was now? The sea is dark grey in color. So the sea was dark grey in color now, and the fisherman went back to the fish. And what happened? He asked the fish about his wife demand. What is his wife demand? To become the queen. So what the fish told, okay, you go back, you can see your wife has a queen. You can see the wife has a queen. So now it has spoken the truth, and for a while the woman was happy to be queen over all the land. Now the fisherman wife was happy to be the queen of the whole land. But the day soon came when she said, so after some days again, what she has done, she went to husband and she told, I was meant for greater things. What she is telling, I was not born for these small things. I was born for greater things. Means I was not born. I was born to do the great things. So go back to the fish and ask me to make a pope. Ask me to make a pope. What is the meaning of pope, children? Means the bishop of, what is the meaning of pope? The bishop of Roman Catholic Church, means head of the Roman Catholic Church. You have seen the bishops, you can see them. Okay. The bishop means the, what is the meaning of pope? He is the head of the Roman Catholic Church. Okay. So you can see in movies that who will make the marriages and everything, whatever. The Pope used to do the marriages of everyone, and he is the head of the Catholic Church. Okay. So now what happened? So the fisherman was stricken with terror at her words. So suddenly the fisherman was afraid of her words, but he did not dare to refuse her. He was not dare to refuse her. And what he has done, he went back to the sea to tell that message to the fish. The water turned black and white. What is the fourth wish? To become the Pope. Okay. Pope means, so what happened? Here the sea was, how is the sea now? Black and white. The sea is black and white. Okay. The sea turned black and white now, and what does she want now? The fish asked him, what does she want now? The fish asked, she says, she must be Pope, stammered the man, and the fish replied. So what the fisherman told with a low voice, he told, she wants to become a Pope now. Okay. The fish replied, go back, she is Pope already. So go back, you can see your wife as a Pope. The man returned and found his wife on the throne of Saint Peter. He saw his wife on the saint, means on the chair of Saint Peter. He saw his wife as a head of the Saint Peter Church. Okay. Husband. She cried as soon as she saw him. What happened? She cried as soon as she saw him. I see that I cannot rest until the sun, the moon, and the stars are at my command. Now what is her wish? She wants to command the sun, stars, and the moon. So she wants to command them, it seems. The man who knew that disaster was near for both of them. So now the fisherman got to know that there is a big disaster going to happen, means some disaster means some misfortune, means something badly is going to happen now for us, because she is asking for what she cannot get, because no one can command the sun, moon and the stars. So she wants to command the sun, moon and the stars now. The man who knew that disaster was near for both of them returned to the sea for the last time. So she has told him what she has told, that I want to command. Now what is her wish? What is her fifth wish? What is her fifth wish, children? She wants to command the sun, moon and the stars. And the stars. She wants to command the sun, moon and the stars. Okay. So what happened? A terrible storm had arisen and there was wave as large as mountain. There was a terrible storm. How the sea is now? There was a terrible storm. Means ఒక పెద్ద తుఫాన్ వచ్చేలాగా ఉందన్నమాట. So means big disaster is going to happen now. So a terrible storm had arisen and there were waves as large as mountains. Waves, how is the waves? Waves means alalu. How is the waves now? Waves now, mountain you can see now, that much height it is coming, it seems waves now. Means that much forcefully it is coming, as large as mountains. Oh fish, she says she must have the sun, the moon and the stars at her command. So he told in very low voice to the fish, she wants to have the command of sun, moon and the stars. He cried and his voice was carried away by the wind. So he cried. So he told with crying. And what happened? Suddenly waves came to him and he had fallen back. Go home, thundered a voice from the deep, and see, your wife has been thrown back into the hut again. What happened? All the waves, means alalochi, fisherman ni, it has thrown him back, means padesi anamata. So, and a voice came from that heavy waves. Oka big voice vinpichinది అన్నమాట. ఏమని? You go back to your house, you can see your wife again in that poor hut. So నువ్వు బ్యాక్ వెళ్తే మీ వైఫ్ అగైన్ మళ్ళీ పూర్ హట్ లోనే ఉంటుంది, వెళ్ళి చూడు అని చెప్పి వాయిస్ వినిపించింది. ఎస్. సో go home, thundered a voice from the deep. So we can hear a voice from the waves. What it done? See, your wife has been thrown back into the hut again. Your wife was thrown back from the Pope. She was on the Saint Peter church. She was in the throne of Saint Peter. Again she was thrown back into the poor hut. She was thrown back into the poor hut again. So first they were in hut now. So she was thrown back again to the normal position. What she was first, there only your wife is go and see back. The voice told to the fisherman. So what you have understood through this story, children, means at any time, means we should not be greedy. We should not, means అత్యాశ ఇప్పుడు పనికిరాదు, means we should not be greedy at any time. We should be satisfied with what we have. So we should be satisfied with what we have. We should not think for what others is having, and we should not try to get what others is having. We should not take it. Okay. Always we'll think that we are how the children nature. What do you think, Hannah? We are having this pencil. If anyone is buying a new Combox box, what do you think? I want that new Combox box. You will go to your parents and you will, what you will do? You will force them to buy that Combox. But we should not do like that. We should be satisfied with what we are having. If you want to buy that one, you have to work hard. You have to work hard to get it. But we should not take it without having, means we should, without doing any hard work. You have to do hard work for what you have to get. Okay. So if you want to have anything, means if you are having any wish, means if you want to become anything, you have to do hard work for getting it. Okay children, you should always remember that thing. You should do hard work to achieve anything. Okay, to achieve anything you have to do hard work and you have to earn it. Okay, we should not get anything simply without doing any hard work. If we are getting anything, it will not stay for more time. It will not stay for more time. Remember this. Okay, now how is the lesson? Is it nice? Okay, all of you have noted down the meanings. So note down the remaining meanings children. How many meanings we have completed? Once all of you note down these wishes, once go through these wishes, all of you learn this one. I will tell you the meanings, I will erase it. All of you note down the remaining new words children. So, in the previous class we have discussed a pope. Yes? Now, next meaning. Storm. Next meaning. Storm. What is the meaning of storm children? Violent disturbance of the atmosphere. Violent disturbance of the atmosphere with strong winds. With strong winds. Okay, what is the meaning of storm children? Violent disturbance of the atmosphere with strong disturbance, means there is a lot of disturbance in the atmosphere, means climate. Okay, means with strong winds, means eedugalu, means strong means air it is coming. Galulu antaru kada eedugalu. So like that strong winds it is coming. Next one. Brew. What is the meaning of brew children? Gather force. Gather force. What is the meaning of brew? Gather force. Next one. Stammer. What is the next one? Stammer. What is the meaning of stammer children? Speak with halting articulation. Speak with halting articulation. Articulation. Speak with halting articulation, means stop, he is talking. Means I want to, like that. He is stopping his words in the middle. Means, so there is a break in the sentence. There is a break in the sentence. He is stopping and he is telling his words. Okay. Fourth one. What is the fourth one? Disaster. Disaster. What is the meaning of disaster? A great or sudden, a great or sudden misfortune. Great or sudden misfortune. Okay. Next, fifth one. What is the next one? Thunder. Speak loudly. Speak loudly and angrily. Speak loudly and angrily. Okay. Speak loudly and angrily. So, storm is, once all of you go through this one. Storm. What is the meaning of storm, children? Violent disturbance of the atmosphere with strong winds. Okay. Next, brew. What is the meaning of brew? Gather force. It is gathering the force. Okay. Next, third one is stammer. What is the meaning of stammer? Speak with halting articulation. Speak with halting articulation. Next, fourth one, disaster. Disaster means a great or sudden misfortune. A great or sudden misfortune means something bad it is going to happen suddenly. Next, thunder. Thunder means speak loudly and angrily. Thunder means speak loudly and angrily. Means, okay, means they are shouting. Means they are very much anger on something. Okay. So all of you note down these 5 meanings. Okay. I'll give you some time. And what is today's homework? Read and write. Find new words. Five times. What is today's homework, children? You have to read and write these 5 meanings 5 times. Okay, you have to write these 5 meanings 5 times. All of you copy down. Completed? Okay, children, we'll meet you in the next class. We'll go through the question and answers in the next class. Okay, thank you.